Now for our featured story of the day, the crypto White House summit is happening right now. Trump just made some announcements. Howard Lutnick is speaking at the time of this live stream. Right now, will they announce 0% capital gains tax on Bitcoin and all crypto made in the United States of America? Let's discuss it and do a deep dive here. That's right. President Trump prepares to host the first White House summit going on right now as I'm moving my lips. More than 20 key industry leaders have been confirmed as attendees. The roundtable literally just started. It's expected to include more than 25 participants, including members of the Presidential Working Group on Digital Assets, according to Fox business reporter Eleanor Terrett. As of Friday morning, they reported that at least 22 crypto executives and 2 White House reps have confirmed their attendance. Quoting them here, unclear as of now who aside from Bo Hines and David Sachs will be in attendance. Well, we know for a fact that Lutnick is there. We know for a fact Michael Saylor is there because he's sitting pretty close to Trump. But if you go back to Trump's executive order, the Presidential Working Group also includes Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, Secretary of Commerce Howard Lutnick, Attorney General Pam Bondi, and SEC Chair Nippinator, and the CFTC chair, and others. The list of crypto executives and government attendees confirmed as of March 6th at 9 p.m. is all the following. So, here's a list of the attendees. You have Chris Dixon, general partner of Anderson Horowitz, Fred Thiel, the CEO of Marathon Digital, the largest Bitcoin miner, Mike Belsch, CEO of BitGo, Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, Chris Giancarlo, the former CFTC chairman, and the list just goes on and on. You got Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, the owners of the Gemini Exchange. You have the CEO of Crypto.com, the CEO of Robinhood, the CEO of Kraken, Michael Saylor, Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, Sergey, co-founder of Chainlink, and the list goes on and on. CEO of Bitcoin Magazine, Wisdom Tree, basically all the CEOs of all the big companies in crypto. And with the event happening at this current moment, notably Tether CEO Apollo and Binance co-founder CZ have not confirmed they'll attend the summit, so we're not 100% sure if they're there right now. But some community members speculate that the Tether CEO may have received the invitation. I think he did. I saw something last night that he got invited. Tether's massive, the largest stablecoin in the crypto sphere, so I wouldn't be surprised. He was amongst the attendees at another meeting in Washington, D.C., hosted by the CFTC. And according to Terrett, CFTC acting chair Caroline Pham hosted a crypto CEO forum March 6th featuring industry leaders, including the Tether CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, MoonPay CEO, and Crypto.com's Chris, as well as Circle president and Coinbase's institutional head, Greg Sarr. And you can see the people right here. I just met up there in Washington. And additional attendees at the CFTC forum include Ripple's policy head, as well as MoonPay's Keith Grossman and Coinbase's, basically all the movers and shakers in the space. Quoting them here, a larger invite-only reception is being planned across the street from the White House for those not invited to the roundtable meeting. Good to note. So there's a lot of crypto folks about to meet up after the White House summit. And as speculation around the summit continues, the crypto community called for the inclusion of other key industry figures, including ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik, and Circle co-founder and Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, and Solana founder Anatoly. The highly anticipated White House summit comes amid heated debate surrounding Trump's executive order, which got signed into effect last night. And while many industry leaders and government officials saw the order as a historic and positive event for crypto, others were not happy about the Bitcoin U.S. Reserve apparently only including confiscated Bitcoin. Well, we all know they could acquire and buy more Bitcoin as long as it's like a net neutral thing. So we already discussed that. And according to 10x Research, Trump's Bitcoin Reserve order didn't meet crowd expectations as the community largely anticipated significantly buying instead of just keeping 200,000 of the bitty that have been seized over the years through criminal and civil forfeiture. Quoting 10x Research here, although additional measures could be announced later, the latest development highlights a significant gap between an ideal scenario and the actual policy rollout. On the other hand, Coinbase product strategy head Connor estimated that Trump's executive order moved at least $18 billion worth of sell-side pressure. And if you don't know, now you know. Now for the million-dollar question at hand. Will the announcement be made today of 0% capital gains tax on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies made in the USA? That's what we're anticipating. That's the big rumor, which has been circulating. Let me know your 2 Satoshis. I'll read your comments out loud. Welcome, everyone, to the Q&A segment of the live stream. And as the speaking continues at the White House summit, I'll be giving you a play by play. Very special day, very special stream. Again, comments and quotes will get reposted. We'll be streaming at least for the next hour, hanging out, giving you the play-by-play. Winklevoss says they never thought there would be a strategic reserve. He says he looks forward to working with the Trump administration. Thank you for sharing that, Oracle.